Hey everybody, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Tuscany Badlander package. This is a really sweet truck inside and out, finished off in a beautiful red. If we go ahead and start with the front end, we have a nice body colored grille and body colored front bumper and a custom powder coated aluminum grille. We also have a red Chevy bow tie up front. You can see the 20-inch LED bar in the lower portion of this bumper with Badlanders written out, as well as LED fog lights and your tow hooks. Up top, we have this really aggressive hood finished off in body color, and then a two-tone satin black with some vents in the top of it. Moving our way to the side profile now, you can see the Badlanders logo up top with a really nice bezel around it. And then we have a massive set of fender flares to really help give it that awesome design. This truck is also sitting on a BDS 6-inch lift kit. We can see the components down here, even with some custom red powder coated control arms. Really good suspension lift kit overall. And then down low we have a set of 20-inch wheels finished off in a gloss black with machined silver accents, all wrapped in an all-terrain tire, and we have red brake caliper covers. Really good side profile for this truck, and being a massive truck as it is, we have an optional set of deployable running boards. All I have to do is grab the door handle, open up, and the running boards easily fold out. And then when I close the door, they automatically fold back in place. And these running boards also double as rock rails, so they really help add to the aggression and off-road design for this truck. As we move to the rear, of course, you can see the similar style fender flare, wheel and tire combination. And then at the back, the Silverados, of course, have the side step in this rear bumper. It is body colored. And then one of my favorite features is this dual exhaust finished off in satin black. And we have Badlanders written out right in the center. You can see Chevrolet stamped into the tailgate, and by just pressing this one button, the tailgate automatically opens. This has a full spray and bed liner to make it nice and durable. And then this tailgate doesn't weigh much. With one hand, we can close it up. So now let's take a quick listen to this exhaust and then check out the interior. So now inside this 2021 Silverado, we have a really nice interior here. You will notice some carbon fiber trim all around, giving it that sporty design. And we have some nice tech like this touchscreen head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of my favorite features are these leather seats. They have micro suede on them and contrast stitching, and we get Badlanders embossed into the leather with some mountains on the top with their logo. Really nice looking seat design. We also have leather on the steering wheel as well as on your armrest, and then the gauges even have aluminum surrounds with Badlanders written on it. They have a really cool look. And then from this angle, you can see the carpeted floor mats with the Badlander logo, as well as the light switch for your LED bar up front. On the door panel, we have part of the Bose audio system. And then this truck is a full crew cab, so we can easily open up this door. It has really good access to the rear seat. Moving inside, we have the same interior with the leather and then the micro suede as well as the contrast stitching. I love how the Silverados have this extra storage space in these backrests, which is a really cool feature. And then we can lift these fronts up, and then you have a lot more space down low for a lot of storage. And then closing these, we also have climate vents, so USB ports, and storage behind the front seats. All right, so we are setting off now in the Silverado with the Badlanders package from Tuscany. First off, that V8 has a really good sound to it. I love how muscular this truck sounds. So as far as driving in this, one thing you instantly are going to notice is the Tuscany hood. It is really big. I love how you can see the two-tone, the satin black and the body colored red. You have a really good view of it when you're driving, and it just helps you know that you're in something a little bit extra special. As far as the ride quality goes, we're on a really bumpy road, and yet the truck is absorbing the bumps very nicely. I like how this lift kit you get in this truck, you retain the factory ride quality, and yet you're 6 inches taller than a stock truck. So you get the good looks without sacrificing any of the ride quality. Coming up to a stop, the brakes do a great job bringing the Silverado to a standstill. And then we'll test out the V8, kind of feel out how the power is even with these oversized tires. Getting up to speed effortlessly, not even stressing the engine at all. And then now that we're up and driving, getting comfortable in this truck, these seats are really comfortable. I like how they are heated. It's a chilly day, so I have the heaters on as well as the heated steering wheel on. And then everything that you touch in this truck is really nice. The leather on the steering wheel, on the armrest, things like that. It's a very nicely appointed vehicle. And as far as ride quality, like I said, it feels like a stock Silverado. And I like how with this truck from Tuscany, it not only comes with a calibrated speedometer to compensate for the oversized tires, but it also is backed by a 3-year warranty. So you can buy a heavily modified vehicle brand new from the dealership, and yet Tuscany is back in this truck, Chevrolet's back in this truck, and that's really good peace of mind when you're buying a brand new vehicle. And one last time, getting back up to speed, I also really like how high up you are in this truck. Of course, it's a big truck, way bigger than a stock one. You have a really good view out. You can see over everything. You just really feel like you are the king of the road when you're driving in a truck like this. And Tuscany is a fantastic brand for aftermarket parts like this, and they make fantastic trucks. This is a really nice truck to drive around in. And then last up, as we take some really sharp turns, it's just really solid. That's one thing you're going to notice with this truck. Not many massive lifted trucks you can say that about, but this truck you can. So there's a good look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Badlander package from Tuscany. This is an awesome truck inside and out. If you have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, check out all of our information down in the description below.